guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is gonna be just a get ready with me hair and makeup. So this hair was sent to me by Sunber Hair, and I got 4 bundles of Peruvian body wave and a closure. I'll have all the information in the description bar about this. Then I went in with my got to be spray. So I just spray the got to be free spray on the closure just to, protect the hair from bleaching. I use my knife to spread the bleach onto the closure. I did not press into it or anything. I don't want to get too detailed in my video. If you haven't watched any of my how to make a wig video, I'm gonna make a pop-up screen where you can just click below and watch them. Then I spray some water onto the weave, just to get it moist. I like to dye my hair when it's a little bit damp, so I use a blue black dye. I love my hair blue black instead of jet black. I don't know, it have this nice luster to it than just jet black. Color my own hair blue black. Also my weave, whenever I'm wearing any black weave, I also color it blue black. So yes, I'm just distributing the color all over the bundles, and then I went on and do the rest. Before I never used to pluck my closure. Now I start plucking my closure. So I just pluck and skip a line, pluck, skip a line, pluck. I know I'm going really fast, but as I said, you can watch a more detailed video. I have that on my channel. So I'm just showing you guys that I just pluck, 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 pluck. Then I part and pluck, 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 pluck. I sound like a chicken. I sound like a chicken. Anyway, I just part and then I just tweeze. I say tweeze. And each time I tweeze, I comb through to see what I'm doing, and then I tweeze and then I skip a line, tweeze, skip a line, tweeze, skip a line. Okay, so now I'm going in and making the wig. So first, I use a stocking foot cap. You guys know I love to glue my tracks. I don't like to sew my tracks. So first, I measure my head from hair to hair, and then from the center front of my hair to the center back of my head. And then I do this, put the wig cap onto the mannequin head and ensure the measurements are the same. So I'm going with my glue and my hairspray. And that excess, I just glue it and remove that. I'm going to show you a mistake that I made when I was making this wig. Nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes. Sometimes we don't show it, but I'm going to show you the mistake I made. The closure onto the wig cap, and I didn't pin all 4 sides before I start sewing, which is a mistake. Please pin all 4 sides of your closure before you start sewing and ensure everything is flat. As you can tell, you added that bump, so I had to remove it and then pin all the sides and ensure everything is flat, and then I go ahead and start sewing again. So please pin before you start sewing, ensure everything is flat, and then you sew. After that, now I started to just glue the tracks onto the wig cap. For me, I love to straighten my tracks as I go. If I'm wearing straight hair and I want it straight or I want it wavy, I like to straighten the bundles as I put them in. So the first bundle I put in, I go ahead and straighten it. Also, I don't cut my weft. I always fold my weft. Glue or sew, I always fold my weft. I try not to cut them to reduce shedding. Every hair sheds, but not cutting you weft, and I prevent them from shedding a little bit more than usual. So as I said, I always, flat iron my hair, flat iron my bundles as I go. So that was the first bundle, so now flat iron. And I always go in with my Garnier straightening mist, and I just use my Cortex flat iron and just flat iron. The hair was silky soft after I dyed it. It wasn't dry and straightened really nice and stuff. Please check out Sunber Hair Company. I'm gonna have all the links in the description bar about this hair. The ends, I didn't really like the ends. I trimmed the ends and I add some long.